Why are your joints failing you? Let's take a closer look at what's happening underneath the surface. If you're dealing with persistent joint pain or daily stiffness, you need to see this. It starts as a minor nuisance, but for many, it quickly becomes an everyday obstacle. Notice morning stiffness? That discomfort is a sign your joints need more support. We often ignore the warning signs, hoping they will simply go away on their own. It is a common misconception that this is just aging. Your body is telling you something needs to change. Left unsupported, the condition progresses. Movement becomes harder, more restrictive, and significantly more painful. Prolonged sitting, poor nutrition, and cumulative strain damage your structural integrity over time. But it doesn't have to stay this way. There is a way to reclaim your mobility. Introducing Proflexen, a specialized joint support supplement formulated to bring strength back to your joints. Proflexen is scientifically designed to improve your flexibility, support natural movement, and reduce persistent stiffness. Experience the targeted relief that helps you get back to what you love doing most. With the right nutritional support, you can maintain your activity levels and feel better every single day. Imagine moving through your day without the constant reminder of joint pain holding you back. Reclaim your freedom of movement and restore your quality of life starting today. Don't wait. Tap the link in the description to learn more about how Proflexen can help you. Proflexen. Support your movement, improve your life. Why is this joint formula so effective? Let's explore the science behind it. Welcome. Today, we're diving into the mechanics behind our specialized joint formula and how it supports your active life. Understanding joint health starts with seeing the structure. Our formula is designed to help maintain the integrity of healthy joints. Our approach focuses on the biological mechanisms of joint support to enhance your comfort and overall mobility. Let's break down the essential components that make this formula stand out from the rest. Its key ingredient is UC2 collagen, which is specifically chosen to help support daily joint function and natural flexibility. This specific ingredient has been rigorously studied for its ability to improve joint comfort and support better mobility. But it doesn't stop there. We provide a comprehensive blend for long-term health. We also incorporate natural powerhouses like turmeric and ginger, known for their ability to support joint comfort. Essential vitamins and minerals round out the formula, helping to maintain strong bones and healthy tissues. By combining these elements, you get a holistic solution for your body's daily demands. Proflexen combines these advanced ingredients into one powerful, effective formula for your joint health. Ready to support your joints? Tap the link in the description to learn more and get started. Imagine moving freely without the constant weight of stiffness or discomfort holding you back. Welcome to a journey where joint health is the key to reclaiming your daily confidence and vitality. We know how daily aches can impact your quality of life, but imagine transitioning from that tightness to smooth, effortless motion. Movement is life. We believe you deserve to move through your day without hesitation. With the right targeted support, your joints can feel stronger, more flexible, and ready for whatever the day brings. Staying active isn't just about fitness. It's about staying connected to the activities you love most. True flexibility empowers you to maintain your lifestyle and keep your joints feeling resilient. It starts with foundational support that helps you maintain your mobility day in and day out. Gentle, consistent movement and proper support are the building blocks of a healthier, more comfortable life. Simple movements, like walking or stretching, can feel easier and more natural once your joints have the support they need. Meet Proflexen, a formula carefully designed to support your joint health from within. Packed with high-quality ingredients, it targets the areas that need it most so you can thrive. Proflexen works to nourish your joints, supporting the comfort and flexibility you need for an active lifestyle. Many have experienced the difference that proactive joint care can make in their everyday well-being. Whether you are hiking, walking, or just playing with family, you deserve to feel your best. Join a community of people who are successfully supporting their mobility and enjoying their favorite hobbies again. You don't have to settle for discomfort. It's time to take control of your joint health. Start feeling the difference today and embrace the movement you've been missing. Your joint health is an investment in your future. Make the choice to prioritize it now. Don't wait. Tap the link in the description now to get started with Proflexen and move freely again. This is your chance to reclaim your freedom. Experience the support you deserve with Proflexen. Take the first step towards better movement. Tap the link in the description to get started with Proflexen today.